This is a very quick video to show how you can download a Sprocket part for McMaster-Carr and modify it to have a custom number of teeth. The McMaster-Carr parts are equation driven and will generate true Sprocket teeth. Here's a Sprocket that you can download from McMaster-Carr. It's a number 25 Sprocket, or a Sprocket for a number 25 chain, and it has 72 teeth. Okay, so here in SolidWorks, I've downloaded it. And in the feature tree, I'm just going to roll the model back and suppress all of the features that I'm not going to use. And so you can see here we're back to when the teeth are first generated. Now, if I click on this feature, you can see that there's the teeth number. And if we modify by double clicking on the teeth number, if we modify that number, say to 144, then the model will automatically update and produce the resulting geometry. I'll hit refresh to show the larger sprocket. At that point, you can then add circular cuts or whatever type cuts you might need in the sprocket, and then actually use this model for a CNC fabrication on a water jet or a CNC router or something like that. I hope that helps you get started modifying McMaster-Carr parts to save your time in your solid modeling. Have a great day.